The Acer 21.5-inch Full HD 1920x 1080 IPS ultra-thin zero-frame computer monitor, SB220QX, is designed for users who want a clean-looking display with reliable everyday performance without unnecessary extras. Its full HD resolution delivers a sharp and detailed image that works well for common tasks such as web browsing, document editing, streaming videos, and general home or office use. For anyone upgrading from an older, lower-resolution monitor, the increase in clarity can make text easier to read and everyday content more enjoyable. One of the standout features is the IPS panel, which is known for producing consistent colors and wide viewing angles. This makes the display a practical choice for situations where more than one person may be looking at the screen, or when the monitor is viewed from different positions around a desk. Whether watching videos, working on presentations, or browsing photos, the IPS technology helps maintain image quality across the screen. The ultra-thin design and zero-frame styling also give the monitor a modern appearance. Slim bezels create a cleaner look and can be especially appealing for users considering a multi-monitor setup, since the reduced borders help minimize the visual gap between displays. Even as a single monitor, the minimalist design fits comfortably into both home and office environments without taking up unnecessary visual space. Connectivity remains straightforward with both HDMI and VGA ports. This combination makes it easier to connect the monitor to newer systems through HDMI, while still maintaining compatibility with older desktops or laptops that rely on VGA. Having both options adds flexibility without requiring additional adapters in many common setups. The 21.5-inch screen size strikes a balance between providing enough workspace for daily productivity while remaining compact enough for smaller desks, dorm rooms, or home offices where space may be limited. It offers enough room for multitasking without becoming overwhelming for users who prefer a more compact display. Based on the available information, this monitor focuses on delivering the essentials rather than premium gaming or professional content creation features. Buyers looking for a straightforward Full HD IPS monitor with a slim modern design and versatile connectivity are likely to appreciate its balanced approach. Instead of trying to include every advanced feature, it concentrates on providing a dependable viewing experience for everyday computing, making it a sensible option for students, office users, and anyone seeking a clean, uncomplicated desktop monitor.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.